3, 2, 1. Hamster Kombat. Yes. Hi besties, how are we doing? So, did you see that first intro? That is how a lot of people who played on the Hamster Kombat are feeling right now, beaten down. Like some of them have spent a lot of months, tapping their phone and doing all the things that were expected, and alas, nothing came out of it. I'm not here to shout or talk down on them on anything, because sometimes people are driven to do a lot of things. But I'm here to say that if you can put in this type of time and energy into this type of project, you can actually put in this same time and energy into doing something productive for yourself. For instance, you can use that time to learn a skill. Investing in yourself is one of the best things you can do for yourself. I'm telling you the honest truth. If you use that time to learn something so good, you can teach a high income skill. You can also use that time to learn about what you want to invest in. One of the things I teach in the community is invest in something you understand. Don't just put in your money when you do not understand anything. It is not good. So use this time. What is gone is gone. You have October, November, and December. And I'm telling you, you can turn things around in the next 3 months. So besties, there's no need to blame anybody. Don't blame the government. Don't blame the economy. Just focus on what you can learn today. In the next 30 days, ask yourself the question, what can I learn that can pay me? Okay, we have a fantastic community of stock wealth builders. You can join the community. You can learn anything, digital product. There are just so many things that you can. A lot of people are selling simple products, but they are making a lot of money from it. So for me, this is a wake-up call for me to tell you there is so much you can do. Do not depend wholly on things like this. Another thing I want to share with you is do not spend your money on things you think you want, things you cannot even afford. That you can have something doesn't mean that you can afford them. There is a huge difference between having something and affording. There are people who are using gadgets, owning things that they can't even maintain. It doesn't make sense. So take down some things, cut down some expenses, look at how to take out some money to save and invest in yourself, and invest in assets that can yield you money, that can help you. There are so many opportunities. You are just not getting in the right places. There are so many free information on YouTube. Leverage on that information. Instead of funding your desires, fund your dreams, things that can not be taken away from you. I call them intangible assets. And this is an advice for a lot of young people out there. And remember, I am always watching you. You need to see how I'm looking at you. I'm watching you. So stop it. Do good things with your life. Have a great day, besties.